Four Boys. We just dropped a new hoodie, the red one that everybody was asking for. A lot of people, we're selling out pretty fast. Make sure you get yours. Thanks to everybody that's supporting. We're gonna come out with more merchandise. The more y'all support, the more y'all buy, the more we will come out with new stuff. We got a Harley Davidson truck that we're gonna do on our shirt. We'll probably do one or two. We don't know what we're gonna do for the background. We're trying to do something like, I don't know if we should just keep it Houston or try to keep it for everybody, you know, friendly for everybody, not just a Houston background. We do want to do a meet sometime next year. Hopefully you guys are ready and down. Hopefully it's not a day where it's raining like the last one, because that really sucks. And once again, appreciate everybody that still came out. I didn't even expect you guys to come out after that weather, but everybody that came out, thank you. Hopefully we can do this again. And our plan is to do like a pop-up meet. So if anybody has a spot, you know, that we can, like a big spot that we can invite people and more people go, then that would be better. Happy New Year's to everybody. So we haven't really been around much new to show y'all anything, new content. Classic Gearz messaged me the other day. Juan, shout out to him. Follow him on YouTube if you haven't. But he messaged me saying to come out to, he's having like a truck event for another classics, but I think it's all trucks welcome from what the flyer says. And so alright, so today's the Classic Gearz trucks meet, and we're gonna go out there. But first we gotta get ready, wash the trucks obviously, take my bike rack off, and load up. Got blessed yesterday, baptized, blessed, whatever I want to call it. We're gonna get rid of this sticker. It was just a prototype. Now let me know what y'all think about this. I got a couple of these. I was thinking of just getting them out. Let me know, but for now we're gonna just wash it because it's too cold. Well, it's not too cold, but it's perfect, but it's too cold to wash. Yeah. This is located in Spencer. Right next to the Pasadena Indoor. What you doing? Pumping gas for the Mamalona? Yeah. So in order for her to drive it, she has to pump gas.
Asshole.
In order for me to drive this one, I gotta do shit. Nice plan. Just kidding. Let's see, ya se mira good on it's clean. So we haven't ate breakfast or anything, but we're on the way now. I think there's gonna be food there. We check gas pumps acá. The Walmart is packed as fuck because the cars ain't working. And I had the mask porque tengo frío. It covers my face. Before y'all start laughing, like, who wears their mask outside of a store? Me, I do when it's cold. Just pulled up and it's like a private house, but tenía terreno, pero like it was all muddy. So yeah, but kind of find out, like, I was like, oh shit, like I'm parked in somebody's house without permission. I'm like, I need to get the fuck out of here. And it was all muddy and shit. But it looks like they changed the direction, the address to the show. Luckily, it says like it's like 10 minutes away from here, like, or it says 10 minutes, but it's 2 blocks down. It looks like it's 2 blocks down. This guy just blocked the entrance, so way to go, Dick. Oh, he's moving. Vamos a ver cómo nos va aquí, porque está cabrón.
¡Siga! 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 incluido aquí. Y viene con botella en mano, vea. Y le ha traído el azúcar, vea. Hágale entrar, Mario, hágale entrar. Angelito Porras, su cariño, aquí.
¿Qué con llantas? ¿Me la puede echar, por favor?
¿Te va a quedar si no tiene llanta?
¿What? ¿Cómo chicas que nomás échale aire? Lo que yo te digo, échale aire. Échale aire.
Ok, dale para allá.
O pone un plug.
$100.
Dame $100, no me. ¿What? Échale aire ahí, por favor. Nomás le falta aire.
¿Llanta?
La salida de la cantina me da.
Pues darle dejó la llanta ya.
Échale aire, por favor.
Ok, échale para allá.
Yo te pago. ¿Dónde?